For this edition, we're going to look at a common problem that affects Fiat Puntos, especially the 1.2 petrol and 1.3 diesel models. The sump pan on most of these cars has a problem with rust. It seems that Fiat didn't protect the metal very well when they manufactured the cars. If we look at the back of the sump, it shows that the paint is in much better condition. It suggests that the paint is very thin and damaged easily by road salt and dirt. If not fixed, the rust can lead to the sump perforating, the oil leaking out, and engine damage may occur if it's not noticed. To repair this problem, you'll need some paintbrushes, some rust treatment, and a couple of tins of paint. In this case, we've got some red oxide primer, some black iron gate paint, and Genolite rust treatment gel. We start by applying the rust treatment gel all over the sump pan. The gel is acid based and needs to be left to dissolve the rust. After half an hour, we agitate the gel and leave for a while longer to work. After an hour or so, you can see that the rust is gone and that all that is left is silver patches of metal showing through and a blackened rust material that's left behind. With a wire brush, we remove any loose bits of debris or dirt that remain. We then give the whole sump a generous coating of red oxide primer to not only protect it but also prevent the rust from reoccurring. We left this overnight to dry. In the morning, we used the iron black paint and then recoated the whole sump in black again. This isn't really necessary, however it does improve the look of the sump when finished. A couple of weeks later, we check on the sump and see that no rust has reoccurred. The light coloured spots are actually road salt which would otherwise have been eroding the still rusty surface had we not have done this work.